Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, September 5th. It's 4:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On my left is the time and sales. We can see some settlement trades on the E-mini S&P going off at 24.60 and a quarter. The auto trader had a pretty good day today. First up is the DAX on the Super 14 tick. This is the one that starts trading at the London session. This did 18.25 for the day. I suspect we hit our goal and probably had several ticks of slippage. The pattern here, we had a small loser to start and then a long and a short back to back. This is a pretty typical pattern for the auto trader in the DAX, but the DAX extending its winning streak into September, at least so far. Okay, next up is the bonds on a Super 2 tick. I'm sorry, a Precision Renko 2 tick with 166% reversal. I chose this because, as you can see by the chart in the BWT indicators, that the flow of the swings here is pretty good. So this setup did really well today. It actually hit its goal. The goal being $1,000 on this chart, trading two contracts. And we're only looking for 6 ticks on the first contract and then trailing our stop by 1 bar after we hit 12 ticks. So this hit its goal in a couple of trades here. We had a couple of small losers to start, and then we came back with a back-to-back short and long trade. So this was pretty solid performance for the bonds, and real good looking chart with the BWT trend indicator giving us some great signals here. And again, this was fully automated. Okay, I started plotting the mid cap kind of as an alternative to the Russell, and somebody requested that I show this, but anyway, this has done pretty good. The few times we showed it, we had a short and a long trade here, and this hit its daily goal of $1,000. So looking quite good on the mid cap. Okay, the DAX mini contract had a couple of nice trades here. A long, a loser here, and a short, and then a small, tiny winner at the end before it stopped trading. This did 700 for the day. That's really good for the mini contract in the DAX. Okay, next up is the bonds on the Super 2 tick with a higher time frame filter, I believe. Let's see what our filter is. It's a Precision Renko, a Super Renko with a little bit higher reversal. No, it's a Super Renko chart with different settings, slightly different settings than the base chart. In any case, this did 625 for the day on a single trade here. Kind of missed this opening trade. It was probably after the start time of the strategy, but 625 is still a solid return. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a 2500 tick Renko chart. This ended up with 450 for the day. It had quite a bit of volatility in the chart today. We had an equity high of around $1,100 or $1,200, and then we had a couple of losers drag us down here, so that we finished at 450. Our equity curve says we finished at. Now we're actually looking back. So yeah, we did 450 for the day, and we were as high as about 1,000 in P&L, but this loser at the very end. Okay, next up is the gold on a Super 14 tick, and this had a mixed bag of trades, but still did $410 for the day. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit us at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.